How to set up the Scan to Network folder feature for the HP Color LaserJet Pro printer series. Setting up this feature allows you to save a scanned document or image to a shared network folder directly from the control panel of your printer. Note: make sure you have a network folder path destination set up by either creating a quick set using the network folder path or creating a contact with a network folder defined. You can set up a Scan to Network folder by accessing the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. To access the EWS, select the Menu option from the Printer Control Panel. Scroll to the Info option and select it. Select the Connectivity option from the menu. Select the Wi-Fi section in the Connectivity menu and then print or take note of the IP address. Open a web browser, type the IP address into the URL search field, and then press Enter to open the embedded web server. If prompted that the connection is not private or that accessing the website might not be safe, select the option to continue or proceed to the website. Accessing this website will not harm the computer. Expand the Scan menu on the left-hand side of the window and select the Scan to Network folder option. If prompted, enter your password or PIN into the field and then select Sign In. Highlight the file name field and type a default file name you would like to be displayed for scans. Click the File Name Prefix drop-down menu and select a file name prefix to automatically add the date, time, or username before the file name. Use the File Name Preview field to view how the name will appear with the prefix. Click the File Name Suffix drop-down menu and select a file name suffix to automatically add the date, time, or username after the file name. Use the File Name Preview field to view how the name will appear with the suffix. Use the drop-down menus to adjust the default settings, which include size, original size, resolution, content type, and color mode. Use the lighter-darker slider bar to increase or decrease the brightness of the output scan. Select the default file type from the drop-down menu for the type of file you use most often. You can choose from JPEG, PDF, PDF-A, and TIFF. Click the File Quality drop-down menu and select a File Quality option from the list. Toggle to enable any of the following switches. File Type User Editable allows users to edit the file type field. File Name User Editable allows users to edit the file name field. PDF encryption is available if PDF is selected as the file type. Enable this option to encrypt the file with a password when saving or sending a PDF. High compression is available if PDF is selected as the file type. Enable this option to automatically compress PDF files to reduce file size. Select Apply to save the changes. The default settings are saved and will be visible to users when they use the Scan to Network folder feature from the control panel. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.